So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we quickly show you if this app is real, if they are really paying people or it's just a waste of time. So before I go into this, let me just do the withdraw. I have 1,450 naira. As you can before already used 50 naira out of it to buy an airtime. As you can see here, I have 250. When I register, I get 250 naira bonus as a registration bonus. Then I try to use the 50 naira to top up my airtime, and it worked. And as I top it up, I get a cashback of 0.75 naira on my 50 naira airtime. So guys, as you can see, I got 250 naira per referral. On this app, you can get 250 naira per referral. As they said, if you use someone referral code, you will get 250 naira per referral. So before you can get your referral, before you can get this referral, all you need to do is to register and find someone referral code. You need to use someone referral code to get your 250. So find someone referral code. As you can see, you can use my own referral code. Is on the description of this video. My referral code is my name, aschoolz. It's on the description of this video. If you don't know the spelling, sorry for that. If you don't know the spelling is like somehow. So just check the description of this video. You will see my referral code. So when you use referral code, you will get, when you register, you will get a 250 naira after you do your verification. That is, you use a BVN to verify your account and your ID card. So immediately your account is approved, they will give you a bonus of 250 naira. This app is a mobile banking app and a shopping wallet. Also, you can also create a dollar account to buy, to shop online, to do shopping online. So guys, let me quickly do the transfer of this money and let me see if it really works. I will do a transfer of 1,400 naira. So let me see if it works. So now I click on transfer, then click on bank transfer. If you want to use this pink money, you can only use it to transfer money to another person that is using this app. The name of this app is on the description of this video, so you will see the name of the app there. So I click on bank transfer. So I want to withdraw 1,400 naira. 1,400 naira. So select bank. Let me select United Bank for Africa. Now enter your account number. So now it's bring my name. It has bring out my name. You can write something here. Let me use it like this to test it. Okay. They will charge 20 naira fee. So let me click on continue and check if this will really work. Let me see. The sender name will show on cashier on the recipient. Okay. Click on continue. Now enter your PIN. Let me enter my PIN. Your request to transfer 1,400 is being processed. Transaction successful. So let me go back and pause the video. As you can see, they have already deducted it. They have already debited me here already. 20 naira for transaction fee, it remain 30 naira. So let me just pause the video and check if I will really receive the money. As you can see, check the time here, 6:14. As you can see, as I'm saying it, as you can see, this is 1,400 naira, 1,400 naira, 1,400 naira. It really work, guys. This app is paying. Per your referral on this app, you get 250 naira. As you can see, it work, and I have not even paused the video before it comes. So guys, this app is paying, it's working, and it's paying. So guys, if you want to register, check the description of this video or go to Play Store, Apple. Just check the description of this video. I've already put everything in there on how to use the app, on how to get your own money from this app. You can earn as much as you can. You can earn more than 200,000 if you have, if you can refer people to this app. You can earn more than that. So let me show you my referral code. This is my referral code. So sorry for that, guys. This is my referral code here. Just type aschoolz. Just type it at the referral side when you are registered. If you do that, you do your verification. As you can see, invite a friend and earn 250 naira when they use your referral code to sign up and verify their BVN. So when you do that, you will get 250 naira also. As I am getting 250 naira, you also will get your own 250 naira also. So guys, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe to this channel, to click on that subscribing button, and don't forget to like, so that when you subscribe, so that anytime I upload another video such like this, or more like this, more opportunity like this, you will be the first person to see the notification on your phone. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next in my next video. Thank you.